Hello, I'm Yervant Zorian, Synopsys Fellow and Chief Architect for Embedded Test and Repair IP. I'm here today to introduce the STAR Hierarchical System, which optimizes SoC test by automating test reuse and integration of all IP on an SoC and enabling reduction in test and debug time. The combination of increasing design sizes, the growing use of IP, and greater design complexity has made SoC testing a challenge. First, as designs become larger, the traditional full chip-based test methodologies are proving increasingly challenging due to power consumption and long test development time that make testing of large SoCs inefficient. Additionally, large SoC designs inevitably include wide heterogeneity and significant amount of IP to implement standard functions. The current test solutions rely on direct chip-level I/O access for most IP tests, and the SoC level, resulting in an ad hoc, inefficient test solution at the SoC level, as well as significant increase in test time and cost. Finally, large designs are often worked on hierarchically, with global design teams owning different portions of the design, making it necessary to have standard and unified interfaces at each design hierarchy for easy integration of SoC level. Designers must choose a test solution that is capable of handling large hierarchical designs efficiently while minimizing test time and power consumption in order to meet test cost and design requirements. The DesignWare STAR Hierarchical System significantly reduces test integration time by automatically creating a hierarchical network based on IEEE test standards, which is managed by a modular server to access and control the test resources in the entire SoC. As you can see, the STAR Hierarchical System creates user-configurable IEEE 1500 interfaces for each IP core, including AMS, digital logic, and interface IP. By integrating them with a single top-level control server while maintaining server modules at each level of hierarchy, the system improves area and signal routing, ultimately reducing integration time by weeks. The STAR Hierarchical System leverages the IEEE 1500 network for IP access and ports IP test patterns to the SoC level. This ability to reuse IP test patterns eliminates the need to regenerate patterns, saving development time and resources. The server module provides significant flexibility to schedule individual IP cores and logic blocks for concurrent testing to optimize test time and power consumption during manufacturing test. The flexible scheduling can significantly reduce test time, especially for designs with limited I/Os. Additionally, the STAR Hierarchical System enables SoC-level access of IP debug modes by using STAR Yield Accelerator and Silicon Browser. It also helps improve SoC yield by enabling eFuse programming through the server for calibration and trimming of AMS IP. The STAR Hierarchical System is also compliant with the proposed IEEE standard P1687, which allows reuse of embedded test instruments for system-level test and debug. All future Synopsys DesignWare analog and mixed signal IP, such as USB, DDR, PCI Express, will be delivered ready to use with the STAR Hierarchical System, which will enable designers to automatically create IEEE 1500 interfaces, integrate IP test structures with the rest of the SoC test resources, and port the IP test patterns hierarchically to the SoC level. As I have illustrated, the STAR Hierarchical System highly automated DFT implementation and hierarchical IP and core-level test enables engineering teams to cut their test integration time to a matter of days and bring their designs to market faster and with lower design and test costs. Thank you for watching.